If you are trying to make money on Whoop and you are not clipping, you are leaving free cash on the table every single day. I made these mistakes for months. Now this is the app of Whoop, and here you can earn money by just clipping content for top brands. If you don't have an account, you can go on to Google, then search for whoop.com, sign up with your Gmail address, then you will come to this dashboard. So I'm going to show you how this app works. Now click on start clipping. These are the featured jobs we have: Celica gaming business campaign, and we have clips you are in campaign. We have Bloom Shark Tank clipping, and we have a post-Holy Humberstone interview clip. Now when you click here on this post-Holy Humberstone interview clip, you will see the details. 258 people have clipped this video and they have earned around $193. You can download and post interview clips from the official Holy Hamburger content folder. And this is the campaign. You can join the campaign. Now these are the requirements. Refer to the Google Docs for campaign requirements. When you post on TikTok, you can earn $1.50 per 1,000 views. And you can also earn $1 per 1,000 views on Instagram. And on YouTube, you can earn $1.50 per 1,000 views. Now these are views, total views for this video. So you can click, you can join the campaign here and then start clipping. There's a lot of opportunity on this Whoop app. For example, you can clip this Trey Pendley, family man clipping. And you can clip this video, then repost it on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. Now we have Logan Paul Polymer. So far, people have earned $484, over $10,000. And here the campaign is 1K views is equal to $1. Now you can earn here also Imagine Education logo campaign. This is $3 per 1,000 views. And so far, $499 has been earned on this campaign. Now we have Poly FC podcast clipping. You earn $1 per 1,000 views, and you post these clips on Instagram. We have also North Norris campaign, $10 per 1,000 views. So far, $29 has been earned on this campaign. We have Santa Cruz medicinal clipping. $1,021 has been earned, over $7,000, and 1K is equal to $1. Now you can click on this campaign. Now the requirements. See Google Docs in content link below for rules, requirements, and content. Now earnings on Instagram, you can earn $1 per 1,000 views. On YouTube, you can earn $1 per 1,000 views. And on TikTok, you can earn $1 per 1,000 views. Now on this app, you can choose categories. We have music, gaming, entertainment, sports, education, lifestyle, and technology. Now here you can also click on content, and in this content we have a clipping, or UGC. Now when you choose on UGC, this one means that you need to create your own videos when you are showing off your face. For example, here, adaptive AI long form YouTube content. Now they have a campaign, and they have set $20,000, and 54 people have done it, and you get $25 per 1,000 views. They want you to make a long form adaptive AI long form YouTube content. We have also $2 per 1,000 views. This is shinier twins. You need to post it on TikTok. We have also Inox Stack Elite Creators, the algorithm quest. You get $3 per 1,000 view. We have also Clips You Are in Campaign PC game. Then you get $1.5 per 1,000 view. This is very easy job opportunities that you can do. This is a very easy online work that you can work. You just clip a video, recreate it, add some sweet clips, then repost it to other social medias. For example, you can post it on X, you can post it on Instagram, you can post it on YouTube, and then you earn this money as easy as possible. Now here's the tip for me: make sure to filter and look for clips that pays higher money. So higher money, even if you get small amount of views, you'll make sure to get high amount of money. You can go for this one, for example, $3 per 1,000 views, $2 per 1,000 views, and $2 per 1,000 views, or even this one for $3 per 1,000 views. So make sure to subscribe, like, and share this video with your friends. Till the next time, God bless you. Bye.